Hello there, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Let's discuss about the topic we all want to know more and more about, right? The foundation. When it comes to foundation, I just want to go for something which is very skin-like, luminous feel, something that won't make me feel that I have foundation on. Exactly my point. Lightweight coverage, and of course it will give me the evenness that I look forward to. So today I'm going to talk about a foundation that is my recent find, and I'm very happy to find that. Before I go ahead and tell you more about the foundation, I just want to give you a glimpse of things that I have on my face. Started with the ordinary rosehip seed oil, then this moisturizer from Belief, and of course for primer I used my MAC Fix Plus. Now for the eye makeup, I've chosen my matte Makeup Forever shadows today and a little bit of metallic shadows. That's all. And then I'm going to get started with my foundation. So today I'm going to review this foundation from Sephora. This is Best Skin Ever, and I am really surprisingly pleased with this foundation. Most of you already know that I love Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation because of its skin-like, natural, luminous finish. There you go. I just said it. I love skin-like, natural, luminous finish foundation. And this one feels a little liquidy to me. It's very liquidy. And just to show you the texture of the foundation, this is Sephora Best Skin Ever. The formulation is liquid, but I feel that it goes on like a mousse, and it's very soft and fluffy. Love the feel of it on my skin. Actually, I just love to keep couple of shades in my foundation collection because during summer we all get a little bit of tan. So I went for a deeper shade here, and the best part was I kind of mixed and matched. So sometimes I mixed and matched these two, and sometimes with my all-time favorite, It Cosmetics CC cream. Each one of it has a different texture to it. This one is kind of very liquidy, but the coverage is really nice when it comes to a natural finish, but you can build it on. This one you can really build it on. I mean, absolutely buildable. This one is heavy coverage. So when I use this foundation, I actually use a little bit less amount. Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation, because I saw that the first day I actually took as much amount as I would normally take from Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I couldn't finish it all. So yeah, from the next day I took a little bit less amount because it goes on and it actually builds up quite easily and very smooth and silky finish. So I just love the feel of it at great price point. I mean, this one is under 30. How cool is that? Today I have my concealer on, I have got my eye makeup on, brows are done, and now I'm going to put on my foundation. And I could use it any way I wanted. So today I'm going to use my Sephora brush. I'm just choosing this middle one, which is Sephora. You will see the effect of it. The foundations that can be mixed and matched with other foundations, I really like those because most of the time it happens that I'm not running out of foundations, and it's cool, right, when you have 2-3 shades and you can mix and match anytime you want. There is a foundation match video I posted a couple of months ago, and I will post the link down below if you want to check how you can match the foundation to your skin tone. It will get you covered. I can see some glow, and I really love that glow, and I like the feel of skin. I mean, my skin needs to show with the foundation. That kind of foundation would be something I would love to go for. So I'm happy that I found this one. This brush also, it's very nice. I just love to work with it. This was a gift, but this brush is also available if you want to check that out. The full size of it. This one is mini. I actually wanted to try this foundation, and I went for this foundation because of that one reason, that I wanted something of deeper shade, because I already have 2 other foundations to work with. And to my surprise, I mean, this could be a one and done foundation for me. I really love it. The packaging is also very nice. I like glass bottle packaging, and the feel of it, it looks quite matte from outside, but I just love the packaging of it. It's very sturdy. As you can see, the instant glow. I mean, I could even compare this with my IT Cosmetics foundation. I love it. That's my holy grail foundation. But the glow which I look forward to from a foundation, and the evenness of the skin, I really don't like the feel of matte foundations on my skin. So this is something I really am enjoying. Another thing that I wanted to mention is, it is a very glowy coverage foundation, yet it is not slippery. It will not move around everywhere if you don't set it with powder, because I tested it with powder, without powder, and it just gives me the satisfaction of a luminous feel, natural finish foundation, and the evenness that I get from the foundation is really nice. Now I know on my forehead I get a little bit more tan, and that's why any shade would be light here, and that's when I use a little bit more bronzer for the adjustments, or some other deeper shade foundations if need be. But in this case, I just can put my bronzer and get going. So while I'm doing that, you can totally enjoy my bronzer video. I just am going for the Bronzino, and I will link that video down below because that is my current favorite. Yeah, so really impressed. I have a close circle of foundations, and I am very happy to include this one in that. When it comes to drugstore foundations, I go for L'Oreal True Match. That is my period foundation. IT Cosmetics, whenever it is spring, summer, I just want to go for this one because that's how my morning starts. And Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, I just love that. I am interested in the water tone foundation as well, because that is even more thinner than this, and I've tried that and it gives me a nice finish. But I am very surprised with this foundation because of its finish, its price point, and I really want to try more shades from this foundation because I won't have to think twice. I wouldn't be hesitant to go for another shade of this foundation when it comes to winter. For now, I'm covered, and this is really a good shade match of mine. I just love to mix and match, and sometimes I don't even feel the need of it. Like today I just used this one. I can feel that it's a little bit of my color, but that I can manage with blush and bronzer. So that's the beauty of summer days. I just love that feel, and this is something that I'm really enjoying. Many of you must have checked it out already, and tell me about your thoughts on the comment section because I would love to know how you feel about this foundation. And the best part is I got it as a sample and I tried that. I loved it, and then I bought this one, and that's why I just love to use the Sephora samples because it just gives me a nutshell view of anything that I might like. So that's all for now. Now I'm going to go ahead with my rest of the makeup, and you will see the pictures on Instagram. Of course, follow me there, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, like, share with your friends and family. I think most of us, we love to know about a perfect match and a perfect texture of foundation, right? So thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for being here. See you.